Well, I have to say it's climate change and environmental limits to the planet. That was the topic of my talk, and I still believe that is the biggest existential challenge we face now, coupled with inequality in the world. It's a massive challenge because it will create new risks of storm damage, of water stress, of heat-related illness, and so on. And so these will exacerbate the risks which social protection is designed to deal with. So it adds to those, it multiplies. It's a threat multiplier, if you like. And it's also important because it could undermine the capacity of states to deal with these risks. It will undermine their resources. Some states may well see population migrating away. Others will see migrants coming in, as you have climate change forces migration of people. So it can exacerbate the problem of frail states, if you like, and that then locks into a feedback mechanism. So I still think that is the biggest threat. I think it's been that a recognition that the IMF is changing its position on social protection. It's clearly moving away from what I would call the idiot economics of 30 or 40 years ago, that states are a burden, state expenditure is a burden, freeing up markets will solve all these social problems. That's not the situation today. And so it's beginning to think systematically about social protection, and I think that's very much to be welcomed. I think it's following the World Bank here, which I think got involved a decade or more ago. My emphasis, what I'd like to see is a recognition of the importance of social services and infrastructure. The IMF definition of social protection includes cash benefits and all that, but it also includes health and education services. And I would like to see that aspect, I'd like to see more emphasis, more priority given to these basic services and to infrastructure, which includes housing and other aspects of city and urban and rural infrastructure. That's as much a part of social protection as cash transfers. These will have to be provided universally as well, because these are citizenship collective goods. The problem is, as Minouche, the director of the LSE, said, that everything is pointing towards more universal services, but public opinion seems to be moving away from the taxes and the commitments which that implies. That's the greatest dilemma, I think, which still faces us.